Alright, today we are at the Red Rock National Conservation Area, just outside of Las Vegas. Awesome to get in free with our National Park Pass, although they did charge a $2 vehicle registration fee. So, we got that going for us. But here's welcome to the Red Rock Canyon and Mojave Desert. And we're going to do some hiking. Go in the visitor center and see what they have to offer, and then do some hiking. And it's going to look a lot like that everywhere probably, because that's what a desert is. This is a really nice little area if you are really into reading about all these different things. Plenty of information for you. So we're going to attempt to figure out where we're supposed to be walking to, because apparently we don't know how to read a map. Looks like there's a little walkway here. We'll go out here and check it out. The color of those mountains are amazing. And apparently there's desert turtles that you can see along the way. And it looks like there's a hiking path down there, it looks like. So we're going to try to figure out where to hike to. And in this little thing, this little circle, there's a Blue Diamond Hill, one of the paths, Red Rock Overlook, Pine Creek Canyon, Red Rock Overlook, Icebox Canyon, Spring Mountain Canyon, Willow Springs, and Lost Creek Canyon. High Point Overlook, Turtlehead Peak, Sandstone Quarry, Calico 2, Calico 1, and along the Scenic Drive, which we'll do on our way when we're done hiking. So there's different things, but it is gorgeous. I would highly recommend coming to Red Rock Canyon if you're ever in Las Vegas, versus just spending your time on the Strip spending money. It's a gorgeous place. And if you ever decide to live in an RV, these are all the options you get to do anyway. You just go where you want to go, see what you want to see. In war, there are none left unwounded. Honoring our post 9/11 heroes and celebrating their lives, September 11, 2001, forever. Navy, Air Force, Army, Coast Guard, Marines. Defending freedom. It is wrong to mourn the death of men like these. Rather, we should thank God that such men lived. General George S. Patton. And some gave some gave all.
All gave some.
All gave some gave all. So we are going to go on a hike. A couple miles, it sounds like. And we're starting here at the Grand Circle and Moenkopi, and we're going that way. We will talk more and show more if we see more. Okay, so we were over there where those mountains are. You have to believe us, because we did. We walked from there all the way over to there to here, and
Gotta get over there.
I guess, and we gotta get over there. And I guess there was a fire here, and that's why all these palm trees were looking so sad. So there you go, tidbit information. But boy, it's beautiful here. So we got the top of this little crest, little kind of canyon there. The multiple colors of rock is amazing. We're gonna follow this trail and see where it goes. Let you see a little bit of it along the way. So, as we're walking along, I see this log, and it looks like looks fake. Like it's had water in it, and it shriveled up like a balloon or something. I don't know. That's what I think, though. Yeah, we'll do that 11.3 miles. Difficult today. We got this.